Dear listeners and the viewers outside there, good afternoon. By names, I'm called Ali Mse Abdi. I'm from Kampala, Uganda. I'm a teacher in Nile University. We have English faculties in Nile University. We have levels. We have level 1, we have level 2, we have level 3. And we have the periods for these levels. Some students have only 6 months, others have 9 months, others have 1 year. We offer both certificate and diploma courses for English language. In Nile University, we offer all the 4 skills of learning English. And in all these skills, we basically focus on speaking English because most of the students can read, they can write, and they can listen, but their most problem is speaking. Therefore, there are very many people who like to learn, more especially maybe there might be some teachers in high schools, there might also be some people working in offices, and we also have some periods for such people. And these are what we call special classes. We can have also some other special arrangements for them. And we have full time from Saturday to Wednesday, and we also have part-time students. My dear listeners and the viewers outside there, whoever wants to learn and have English as the second language, of course here in Somalia, English is the most language which is needed in every part, wherever you are working. Therefore, the only chance that you can learn English and it can become as the second language to part of your communication skill is only in Nile University. Therefore, we are here as Ugandan teachers for English language. You are most welcome. We offer you the service so that you also go and offer the same service to the rest of other people outside. Thank you for listening.